Love yourself and accept your nature. Actually, whether you know it or not, you don't have any other choice than this. You can pretend that you're living, you can go on being okay for some time, but eventually being miserable will be the natural consequence. And remember that you've been conditioned to be like that by the sick society, because they want you to be divided. They don't want you to be in tune with yourself, because if you're always in conflict with yourself, you are weakened, you are divided, and in that state they can make use of you, they can manipulate you. But maybe it's time to face the truth and be yourself, because at the end of the day, nature made you like that for its own reason. Otherwise, it would have created another person with a different attitude, different capabilities, different nature. So always respect yourself, love it, and accept it. That's the way to go.